inside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from a trailer, yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park
Merry
Christmas.
Trailer Park Christmas.
Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there. I'm Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, host of the award-winning Trailer Park Cooking Show on YouTube. Every year around the holiday, I produce a series called Trailer Park Christmas, and I've been doing it for about 12 years. It's 25 days of videos. It starts on the 1st and goes through the 25th. There's a downloadable calendar. There's a ton of recipes. There's crafts. There's all sorts of things to follow along, and I show you how the trailer park celebrates the holiday. It's fun for the family, it's family friendly, and it's been a lot of fun for the past 12 years that I've been doing it. Well, this year's a little bit different. I kind of blocked political ads and crazy ads for casinos and games, you know, those things, people selling cows, I don't know, online. It's crazy. I don't know how they do that, but it's annoying. They don't belong on my videos, and those are for fun, and I may be political elsewhere. I do talk about things that are important to me, but my videos are for enjoyment, and that kind of hit the trailer park bottom line a little bit, and it costs a lot of money for cameras and internet and all that sort of thing, so I thought about crowdfunding Trailer Park Christmas. Yes, that's right. You can donate a little bit. It's kind of like funding it, kind of like a little Trailer Park Hollywood, and you might get your name in it for a certain donation or something mailed to your home, or maybe even a painting. Things will be changing, so be sure to check my crowdfunding site, which is GoFundMe, and it's simple to donate. Now, don't worry, times are tough, so if you can't do this, don't worry, I still love you, and I will still be doing Trailer Park Christmas, but imagine I know I've got rich people out there, I've got rich friends, and imagine if the trailer park had some money, and how crazy Trailer Park Christmas 2018 would be if I had that, and into 2019 to expand my studio. I've got some great plans. If you thought my videos were crazy, wait till you see if I had a little bit more to do this. I pay all the artists and graphic artists in my videos, and all the music is licensed, and I do love to do that, and I make sure that my videos are the best that they can be, and this will make it even better for Trailer Park Christmas 2018, and it's so exciting. Check out my crowdfunding page on GoFundMe, and I can't wait to bring you the holidays trailer park style, and for those that are just meeting me, I can't wait for you to find out more about the trailer park and live the trailer park way. I'll see y'all back soon, and be sure to check it out. Bye-bye.